Familiarize yourself with the 2017 Chevrolet Trax.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.